Hey YouTube, and welcome to 2019. I just wanted to talk about how I hit 1,000 subscribers in 2018, and I want to thank all of you that have subscribed. Definitely appreciate it. This was kind of a mission I had in 2018 to get to that 1,000 subscribers. In 2017, I had just, interestingly enough, had just been loading up for a number of years some of the things that I've done, is kind of share some videos, share some do-it-yourself things, and just anything that I felt like throwing up there. And then when I saw some money come in from monetization, I thought, well, this is pretty interesting. Maybe I'll take it a little more seriously, and it just became fun. So once the demonetization happened, and I did a video on demonetization that you can check out as well, I just made it a goal, saying that I really wanted to hit that monetization again, and I made that my goal for 2018 and hit that mark. Haven't been monetized yet, but I hit the 1,000 subscriber goal and also have the more than enough watch time. I've had that for a long time, so thanks again for those watching. And if you aren't subscribed now, please do. On this channel we do it yourself as well as reviews of electronics and tech products. So it's another thing that I had to do is kind of find my niche. I was just kind of all over the place, and again, I haven't really defined it down really tight yet, but essentially what I want to do is review the things that I find interesting. So that's technology, and that's kind of the do-it-yourself projects at home, how to fix certain things. So if there's something out there that you might want to hear about someone fixing, that's always something I'm interested in, so let me know and I might actually do a video on your topic. So let's talk about the 6 different things that I did. First, as I said, is create a niche. So I changed my channel to be Sean's DIY and Reviews, so it lets people know that that's what I'm doing, as opposed to just my name. So what does your name mean? Who knows? What are you going to do on the channel? So that was the first thing, is just creating a niche. Number 2 was doing tags, doing them right, and also doing a description section in each video, putting information there, because I found out that that's searchable. So people can actually go online and search for things, and if your description or your tags have that, YouTube is likely to provide your video to the people because they figure, well, that's got to be what the person's looking for. Now, if you're going to put in tags just to get people to look at your videos and it's not really what it's about, you're going to get a lot of thumbs downs, and same thing with your description. You want that to be there. From what I understand, I don't know this for a fact, but the words that you use in the video, it gets transcribed by YouTube, so you want your title as well as your description to have some content, or at least have the content in the video mention that title and that description, or use some similar keyword so that that's verifiable by YouTube, because obviously they don't want to provide the wrong content. Now, 2 of the things that I used to help me with that were VidiQ and Tubebuddy. I am no way, shape, or form associated with either one of those. I just downloaded those extensions and I use them. I use them on top of each other, and it's not as clean, so I would try to use one or the other, probably not both. But people use VidiQ, people use Tubebuddy. Both of them give you good suggestions for tags, give you great information as far as how that video is going to stack up against others based on the information that you've put in. The next thing that I did was I posted to social media. So whether it be Facebook, whether it be Twitter, I don't use Instagram or any of the other ones, but some people might. And then videos that are applicable, I will also put on my LinkedIn. But you want to kind of be careful with LinkedIn because that's a professional network. So you want to make sure that your content is professional, that you would be putting on LinkedIn, but it might help people find your information as well. If you're doing a channel for your business, by all means, definitely use LinkedIn and put your videos on LinkedIn as well. So that helped. Now the next thing that I did was I asked for subscribers. So in my videos, like I'll do right now, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. What I did in the beginning too is I told you what my channel is about. So tell people what your channel is about so they have a reason to say, yeah, I'll subscribe to this. Don't just say, subscribe to my channel. Well, why? What is your channel about? Is this video what your channel is really about? This video isn't really what my channel is completely about, but I wanted to share this because I thought it was helpful and hopefully that's going to help other people as well. And I'm also trying to see where my videos go and who chooses to watch what. So asking for subscribers would be helpful. I actually put the little red subscribe thing in the corner of my video, in the bottom right hand corner toward the end of the video, and I also use the end screens where I use the little subscribe tool as well, so that people know to subscribe to the channel. That call to action makes a difference. And then finally, comment on your videos, answer all the people's comments, and also what you want to do is go to other people's videos and comment on those. I've done a number of videos. I've gone to a number of videos like on Sean Cannell's channel, Nick Nimmin, and a few others to learn things from them, and tons of other videos. And if there's something that I know, I'm going to post a comment down below in the comment section for them. And if there's something that you can share that I don't cover, please do that here. What you're doing is you're helping that creator because YouTube sees them getting a lot of comments, so that helps them. But also what happens is if you share a good quality comment, someone might click on your page and go over there and see what you're all about. And I can tell you for a fact that one time Sean Cannell was doing a live stream and I commented below, and then someone actually went onto one of my videos and commented on my video saying that they found my channel because of my comment on Sean Cannell's channel. So definitely consider doing that. Don't spam their channels. Don't do that, because you're going to get those people angry at you. They will probably remove your comment, and then people will just be annoyed by that. So don't say, come check out my channel. Don't do the sub for sub or any of that stuff. But if you can add to that conversation, put a comment below. You might even say something about, yeah, I like this product too, and I actually did a review on it as well. I would also mention this feature or that feature. So someone might want to then go over to your channel and see what you provide. So those are some of the things that I did to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. What are the things that you did? I'd love to hear, because obviously I want to go to 2,000, 3,000 and more. So what are the things that you've done to get subscribers to your channel? And tell me what of these 6 tips that I've given that you've used or that you think you're going to use based on my providing this. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something, definitely give a thumbs up on this video. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you. Hope to see you in the next video. And best of luck in 2019 on your channel.